Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Okay, guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about a new platform that pays us about 30% to 32% of our investment daily. It's a TRX site, a site that if you invest this amount of TRX, you get what 30% to 32% daily from the site. Okay, I'll dive into the site today. Let's get started. Okay, guys, in today's video, we'll be talking about this particular site called apptrx.vip. This site is a new site. It was launched yesterday. If you reload, you see, let me just reload. If you reload, you will see that you see some of the information. You see that this website was launched what? It was launched on the what? On the 12th of what? Of this month. It was launched on the 12th of this month. This site is very legitimate. You can see it was launched on the 12th of this month, January 12th of this month, which was yesterday, 12th of this January 2023. And this site was just a new site. So we are going to dive into this site with full force and make all the money we want to make within 5 to 7 days from this site. Okay, guys, let's get started. Okay, if you watch on this site, you see where they say hot, you see where they say home page, you see the home page, you can see they have home page here, they have trading, they have investment, they have share, and they have what? Mine. You can see, guys. Okay, on this home page, you can see on the home page it consists of what? Deposit, withdrawal. You can see deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app, and what? Logout. You can see, guys. Okay, these are all the things that are in display. You can see if you on this site, you'll be giving what? 1,000 what? 1,000 TRS. You'll be giving 1,000 TRS, which is what? About what? 671, 670 or 660 something dollar. You understand, guys? But what on this site now, all you have to do as a register, guys, is just to what? Make your what? Deposit that, because if you don't make deposit, you cannot earn on this site. What you have to do is what? You make your deposit direct. You make your first thing you do, just go to the deposit and what? And make your, let me see, you want to make deposit, because I've already deposited on this site. I will not be depositing in this video. You click on deposit here. When you click on deposit here, you see transfer to basic account and transfer to promotional. Basic and promotional. Yeah, promotional account. All you have to do is to click on what? Transfer to this basic account. When you click on this basic, you copy this address and go to what? Your TRX wallet. You go to your TRX wallet and what? You make your deposit. You can make deposit of 10, 20, 30, depends on how much you want to deposit. Me, I made a deposit of 30 TRX on this side. Need a deposit of 30 TRX on this side. Okay, what you have to do now, after you are done with your deposit, you click on this place. Click on this place called recharge completed. Immediately click on this recharge completed, you wait for some certain time, and what will be credited into your what? Your TRS wallet address will be created into your TRS wallet address. Will just be created into your TRS wallet, and then you just come here and reload back. Immediately you reload, you see it will be added here to your TRS wallet address, and you can be able to withdraw daily. You can be withdrawing what? Every day. Okay, on this side, if you click on this place called trading, you click on this trading, and you find out that what? You'll be receiving some certain amount of charge, 32% every day. You can see this is what? 32% every day. 32% of your charge invested every day. That you'll be receiving 32% every day. I'll just click on this receive for now. You click on this investment, you click on this invest, you see that they have what? Product invest. You can invest on all this one, these 2 days on 4 days. Just the investment. This does the investment. Recharge. If you come to use recharge, you can recharge here. If you come to share, guys, this share means what? This share is what? Just like what? You copy your referral link and share it to your friend, you get what? 12% of their first what? Investment for level 1, and others for level 2 and level 3 and level 4. You understand, guys? You click on this mine, you can see other things like what? Your team, how many people have you referred. You can see the investment here is 29 TRS, which shows I invested in this thing what? 30 TRS. You can see there, total deposit 29.00. You can see, guys. Okay, let me just go and place my withdrawal on this side. For me to place withdrawal on this, I'll click on what? Home page. And I click on this home page, I'll click on this withdrawal here. When I click on this withdrawal here, you can see I'm able to withdraw 9.28 TRS every day from this. I'll just go back to my TRS wallet address and what? And click on what? And click on receive. When I click on this receive, I'll copy the address, and copy this address. I'll come back to this place. I'll paste the address on this place here, this address setting. I'll paste it here. And I paste it here. I have to what? Type in the amount of 9.28 TRS, and I type in this 9.28. I'll put in my password. Okay, let me just pause this video and put in my. Okay, guys, I've inputted my password. Let me just click on confirm. And then I click on this confirm. It says submit successful. submit successful. I will just reload for a while and wait if it will appear on my TRX wallet. So let me just go to, let me just wait if I will receive it. If I don't receive it, this video will not be posted. If I receive it, it means that will be what, I have to post the video. Let me just go to this video. Let's just wait for it to come. Let's just give it some time. Let's just give it some time. Just go around and be touching something from the side. Let's just give it some time to see if it will come. If it don't, okay, I can see that I've just received 9 point something. Okay, you can see, guys, just watch. You can see this, it did not even take up to how many minutes I received what, 9.28 TRX. You can see now my TRX have added, you understand, 9.28 TRX. Guys, look at, I'm making TRX every day. Like this month I've made about almost 600 and something, or we just started and I've made more than 600 TRX. Guys, we are making money every day. We are making money every day, guys. Look at 9.28 TRX, guys. Just for nothing, I invested only 30, and I got I've gotten almost 20% of what I even invested, more than 20% of what I invested just today, guys. Look at 9.28 TRX, guys. This site is really good. 32% every day. I'm making what, 9.28 TRX, guys. I just received my payment. Let me just go back to the site. And still go around. You can see, guys, this site, you can see they are partnering with what, Binance. You can see Hobbit, you can see Bitmart. Lord, guys, let's just try and what, to take this opportunity. So I'll be checking something in this. Okay, let me just check something in this. I think this, I don't know. Let me just check something in this. Let's just check their wallet address. If they have enough money to pay, let's just check, guys, their wallet address. If they have enough money to pay us, guys, let me just check their wallet address. Okay, guys, let's check their wallet address, guys, and see what, if they have enough money to what, to pay us, guys. I believe that these people, they will pay for at least 1 to 2 weeks. They will pay for 1 to 2 weeks, guys. These people have what, 2,300 something. They will still add up. You can see they will still add more money to their TRX wallet, guys. Let's just take this opportunity very serious. Let's take this opportunity very, very, very serious, guys. Let's take this opportunity very, very serious. You can see I received my 9.28 this morning. I invested this day. I just said to what, to withdraw before I make my video, guys. Look at, guys. Look at, we just what, receive our payment. So, guys, please, let's take this opportunity very serious. This is 32% a day. In 5 days, you have made your money. In 5 days. In 4 days, you have made your money back. In 5 days or 4 days, you have made your money back. Okay, thanks for watching this video. And what, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And what, God bless you.